In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own YouTube playlist for your YouTube channel so that you can store specific YouTube videos in one playlist per topic, or how you can create a YouTube playlist so that you can save videos that you want to watch later. So let's get to it. First things first, head over to youtube.com and then make sure that you're logged in to your account, or at least the channel that you want to create the playlist for. And then click on your picture or your logo in the top right-hand corner, and then click on YouTube Studio, and that will take us to our backend. And then first off, where are our playlists stored? So when you click on content, then you see at the top here, there is a tab that says playlists. So these are all of the playlists that we currently have on our channel. And for you currently, probably that will be none, but we'll change that in a second. So next up, you click on the create button. And then now, because you're in your YouTube studio, you have more options than on the YouTube front end. So what you can then do is click on new playlist, and that will open up this pop-up, and then it is asking you to select a title or type in a title for your playlist. So this can be anything. Let's go for YouTube tips, and then you can add your description. So this can be anything that you want to add about your playlist. If you have a channel and you want to redirect people to a school community or to your course or anything like that, of course, like that's also the place where you could add this. If you want to optimize your playlist for SEO purposes, this is where you would add a keyword-rich description so that it can rank higher in the search results. Then below that, we see visibility and sort order. So visibility is pretty much the same as with YouTube videos. So if you select public, it means anyone can see the playlist on YouTube. If you select private, only you can see the playlist when you are logged into this specific channel. And if you put it to unlisted, anyone with the direct link to the playlist will be able to see the playlist and the videos in it. So for now, I'm gonna make one that is unlisted. Then next to the visibility, you see the default video order. And this is basically the order that the videos will be sorted in your playlist. So if you click on the drop down, you see that you have multiple options, and you can basically choose whichever you prefer. Now, if you're just creating a playlist for yourself with some videos that you want to watch sometime in the future, then this doesn't really matter. But if you're creating a playlist for your channel and it is important in what order your viewers watch these videos, then you will want to pay a little closer attention to this. So select the one that applies to you, and then you can either click on create if you want to create a playlist with videos from other YouTube channels. That's what you would opt for. If you want to create a playlist that shows your videos, you click on the add videos button. And then basically you can type in your search bar the video that you're looking for. So let's say I'm just going to type YouTube and see what pops up. And I'm gonna say how to upload YouTube channel art, how to add custom YouTube, anything to do with YouTube I want in this playlist. And then we're gonna click on done. And now you can see I've added 9 videos to my playlist. And then we're gonna click on create. And now all the way here at the top, you see that YouTube tips, the playlist that we've created, the unlisted playlist that we've created, shows up here. And then if we do want to edit it, we can click on options, and then we can click on edit on YouTube. And this is our YouTube tips playlist, currently set to unlisted. If I want to change the name, I would click on this icon. If I want to change the visibility, I can do that here. If I want to add a description, I can do that here. If I want to rearrange the order of the videos, I would just have to drag and drop them. Now, let's say I want to remove a video from the playlist. What I would do is go over here, click on the 3 dots, and simply click remove from YouTube tips. And there we go. Now, how do I go about adding videos to an already created playlist? It's quite easy. So on the left-hand side, below your title and below the visibility, you see the button that allows you to share. And then next to that, you have the 3 dots. If you click on the 3 dots, the first thing in there, the first option will be add videos. And now this is where it becomes interesting, because now in this view, I am not only able to add my own videos, I am also able to search the entirety of YouTube and add other people's videos in there. So if you are looking to create a playlist that doesn't just have your own content, but that just has valuable YouTube tips, for example, then you would be able to search YouTube and just type YouTube tips, enter, and it will show you a bunch of other videos that might be suited for your channel. So let's say that I just want to add that first one in there. I would click on it. You can select multiple as well, and then I will say add videos. And now if we scroll to the bottom, you can see that that video has been added as well.